Oh, hello guys. Today for this video, I will talk about the explanation of the simple aggregate recursion with the key example. Like suppose in the line in front of one of the famous London museums, and I'm wondering how many people in front of me. Okay, so um I will ask the person ahead of me. I will ask you how many people in front of you. So the man say, "Oh, I have no idea. What is that? How many people totally?" He will ask the person in front of him as well. I'll say, "Okay, how many people in front of you?" And say, "No, I have no idea." I will ask people in front of me. So people keep asking the person in front of them. So until you get the first person. So the second person asks the first person, how many people ahead of you? And the first person will say, oh, that's easy. No one is ahead of me. I'm the first one. So uh, I will answer with zero because since no people in front of me, so zero. So for the step, like people keep asking the people in front of them, which is called the recursive call. Recursive call is like when I don't know the answer, it's okay. I would try smallerize my question, my problem, to make it smaller until I hit the base case. So obviously, like the first person who answer with zero should be the base case, because obviously you know the answer of how many people ahead of him, because no one ahead of me. So he returns zero, and then he'll go past to the second person. Uh, uh, First person answers zero, and the second person will add the person ahead of him, which means that it will add one. So the third person, when the second person passes the answer to the third person, he will say, I have one people ahead of me, and the third person will add the second person. So the second one represents the second person, like the person actually ahead of um, the person actually ahead of the person. The person actually, yeah. And then he will pass the answer back to uh, to the fourth person. So the third person will say, I had two people in front of me, and the fourth person will add the third person. So you will go past the answer, so get three plus one, four plus one, and then uh, for this, this is called aggregation. So which means that I have a smaller version of the answer from the smaller version of the problem, and then I will simply just aggregate the whatever the input or something else that fits in the case to achieve your purpose. And for the last step, when the person, like we have 5 person ahead of this guy, and then uh, so for me, when he um when he gives me the answer, he'll say I have 5 person in front of me, and then I will have to believe that. I will have to believe that. Just assume his answer is correct. Uh, I just assume his answer 5 is correct, and then I will aggregate his answer by adding him into um, the smaller version, the result of the smaller version, and then you say, okay, uh, this will become 6, and this will be my solution. And actually, I have 6 person in front of me. Yeah, and then okay, um, this is called a recursive leap of faith, like which means leap of faith, which means that I assume that the person in front of me gives me the correct answer. So I will just use this answer and do the aggregation. So it will return the correct answer for my question. So, okay, so this is to explain the simple aggregate recursion using the Q example. All right.